Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file. They're trying to make a train track, from what I gather. This would be the wood part, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and color it in black and take away the outline. Now I'm going to go to the ruler to get an indexing line and hit P, ruler, hit P. That way I know where the center is. So there's two ways to do this. He said 15 or 20 degrees, so let's go 15 degrees. So let's Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the rotation. Kind of hard to see the rotation with it filled. And then make it go to the center. Now, a lot of times it doesn't look like it's in the center, but it is. So we're going to rotate it 15 degrees. And then rotate the second one 30 degrees and Control D around. Sometimes it might even be my laptop does that. So let me back up here and Control D. Control D. My laptop's getting old and having trouble keeping up with that. But there's several ways to do that, and one of them's a lot easier way. So if we want, 20 degrees, so what I would do, instead of worrying about that, especially with an older computer that might have trouble keeping up, I was just seeing if I just had one in there, would be to use Windows, Docker's, transformation, and rotation. And we're going to rotate it 15 degrees. And we need to double check on it and make sure it's in the center. It doesn't look like it is, but it is now. And for 15 degrees, we need 24, but we already have one, so we need 23 copies. And then hit apply. Whoa, I was on the line and not the object. So let's move our rotation to the center. And there we have 15 degree increments, or if you want 20 degrees, we would need 18. So we really only need 17 because we've already got a copy. And he was kind of trying to figure out which one would look more natural. I think this one probably looked more natural. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know if it's just a track, but I would take your track itself and make it thicker to kind of make it look realer as a train track. I truly hope, and also if you're an engraver, you need to turn this to RGB, which is really easy. Just take and double click on the RGB palette. But that's how I would do it, unless I'm confused what he was asking. Those are perfectly spaced out apart. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.